Humans spend so much time looking for my tail to wag, but if you're only watching my back end, you're missing the most important things I'm trying to tell you. I don't have words, so I use a secret language. A language of leans, looks, and left side logic. Today, I'm translating it for you. Number 1. The lean. When I press my weight against your legs, I'm not just tired. Since I don't have arms to wrap around you, this is my version of a full body hug. It's a moment of total trust. I'm letting you support me, because in my world, you are my safest place to land. Number 2. The post-meal cuddle. Most humans think I just want a second helping of breakfast, but in my world, once my belly is full, my survival instincts are satisfied. If I choose you for a snuggle right after I eat, it means you're my highest priority once my needs are met. Number 3. The soft eye contact. In the wild, staring is a challenge. It's aggressive, but when I look at you with relaxed, heavy eyes, I'm hugging you with my sight. It's a sign of total peace. I'm not asking for a treat, I'm just soaking you in. Number 4. Bringing you the boring toy. I'm not always asking to play fetch. Sometimes I just want you to have it. By sharing my most prized possession with you, I'm acknowledging you as the leader of my pack. It's a tribute. Number 5. The left eyebrow. Watch my face when you come home. Scientists have found that we move our left eyebrow more when we see someone we truly love. It's a micro expression of intense joy that we can't hide. Humans look for the tail, but the real truth is written on my forehead. Number 6. The check-in. When we're outside and there are a million smells to investigate, but I stop to look back at you. That's me making sure my favourite person is still there. I'm choosing you over the entire world of scents. It's my way of saying we're in this together. And finally, number 7. Sleeping with my back to you. This is the one you usually misunderstand. You might think I'm being cold, but it's actually the ultimate sign of loyalty. I'm guarding your blind side while we both rest. I trust you to watch my back, and I've got yours. Always. I might not say the words I love you, but I'm telling you all day long. You just have to know where to look. I'm Lil Toffee, your Canine Translator. Subscribe if you want to hear what else I've been trying to tell you.